hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'll never gonna let you go. To calm down feels like a bitter antidote.